Today we are going to talk about how cleaning services can create messages. There is 4 parts to creating a marketing message. The first part is the main company message. Here we communicate our core value and repeat it over and over again in every ad, email, and conversation. Simple way to think of it is like a wheel. Main company message is in the center, and then we can rotate the 3 sub-messages. The 3 sub-messages are split into services, platforms, and client segments. The first step is creating a main company message. The main company message is applied to everyone all the time. Generally, it's a simple concept people can remember easily. We repeat this in every message, ad, email, conversation over and over again. Also can be attached to your name or brand somehow. After creating our main ad or message, we then can rotate different ones. First one is client segments or prospect groups. Some examples would be property managers, restaurants, offices, industrial prospects. Another layer can be by employee size or business size. Geography can also be a way to create messages by letting prospects know you are locally owned. Next category of messages can be talking about the details of your services. Even better would be pointing out pain points your services can solve. Some examples can be office cleaning, carpet cleaning, restroom cleaning, and floor care. The final part of the message wheel is taking into account the platform or tactic being used to deliver the message. Nowadays in digital marketing, each of the platforms have different amounts of text that can be used. Some only allow 150 letters or less. That is a big difference from a sales letter or website page where we have unlimited amount of space for text and pictures. This can completely change what we say.